Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Raffi Ahmad Destiansyah with student number L224-274, and I am fourth semester on this in this subject multimedia system. Okay, so in this video I want to explain about how the process system work of the three sector or three subject that I pick from the task. So the first one is I pick a radar signal on the plane, and the second one is the sonar on the ship, and the third one is analog TV and digital TV. Okay, the first one is a radar signal on the plane. The first one is the radar of the plane transmitted generate high frequency radio wave and send them out through the radar antenna. So the radar antenna from the plane, the transmitted send them out with the high frequency radio. After that, this radio wave through the air, bounce off any object in their path such as aircraft with their information or terrain, and then bounce. The reflected signal, of known as echoes, are received by the radar antenna, and the radar antenna receive, amplify, and process the echo for the information. Like in that case, maybe for the 1 kilometer or 210 kilometer will be any subject like a bird or the weather of is it cloudy or something else like that. Okay, the second one is I want to explain about how the system work of the sonar on the ships. Okay, the first one of the ships, the sonar transducer typically mounted on the hull of the ship generates and transmit high frequency sound wave into water, and then this sound wave through water and bounce off any subject in the path such as submarines, underwater structure, or the seafloor and other fish. The reflect of sound waves of echo are received by the same or separate sonar transducer. The reflected sound, yeah. It's same like a radar signal on plane, but it's in the water for the ships, the sonar of the ship. After that, the sonar process the echoes to extract information such as the range, direction, and other. So, typically, the radar signal on a plane and sonar on the ship are typically same, but the differences is the radar signal on the plane in the air, and on sonar on the ship, it from the water. So the difference is the place of itself, but the mechanical is typically almost the same. After that, I want to explain about how the system working of the analog TV and digital TV. Analog TV and digital TV is different. So I want to explain how the system from the analog TV itself. The first one is the video and audio signals are captured and converted into analog waveform, representing the variation in the brightness, color, and sound. These analog waveforms are modeled on the carrier radio wave for transmission. After the receiver end, the modulated signal is demodulate to extract the original analog waveform. So the receiver, after get the signal demodulate, it will extract the original analog waveform and then process it and convert back into video and audio signal for the display on the TV screen and speaker. So I will summary the analog TV. It will like video analog signal are captured, convert into analog waveform, like representing the variation like brightness, color, and sound. After that, this analog modulate onto carrier radio wave for transmission. After receiver end, it modulates signal is demodulated to extract the original form and then process it and convert back into video and signal for the display on the TV screen and speaker. After that, the digital TV. The video and audio signal will be converted into binary data 0 and 1. After that, the digital is compressed data and encoded using various techniques to reduce the required bandwidth. After the encoded digital data is modulated onto carrier radio wave for transmission. After that, the receiver and the modulated signal is developed to extract the digital data stream. and data it will decoded, deconvert, and convert back into video and audio signal for the display on the TV screen and speaker. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.